Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this network problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. You need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together. First of all, you have to go to the search bar and type your task manager, and from the search results click here to open it. Once we are here, we need to click on run new task, then select the browse button, and now go to this PC, go for local C drive, then open Windows folder, and then you have to find out the system32 folder. So here it is, just double click on it to open it, then find out the cmd.exe file. Keep scrolling down until we find out. You have to just press C, keep pressing C, and you will get the cmd file quickly. So select it and click on open. Now check this box. So this helps to create this task with the administrative privileges, so click on OK. Once we are here, we need to execute some commands here. Now type in ip config space /flush DNS and hit enter, and then type in netsh winsock reset and hit enter. Now we need to restart the system. Before we restart the system, we have to execute the next method, then we will restart the system. So just go right click on the start icon, select settings, and then you have to click on these three lines and select network and internet. Now scroll down, go to the advanced network settings, again scroll down and search for network reset. You have to click on reset now and select S. So now we can restart the system. You can also check out the ping command to fix this issue quickly. So that's it guys, don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.